Do you want to start a YouTube channel but don't know what content to make?
Assalamu alaikum, I'm Mithu Khan. Today I'll show you how to easily create YouTube content using AI tools.
For this, we'll use one of the most popular AI tools, at few, ChatGPT.
First, go to Google, search for ChatGPT, and log in using your Gmail account. Now, we'll write a proper prompt so the AI understands exactly what we want.
See Corey, within just a few seconds, the complete video script is ready. With this script, you can create a voiceover, generate a video, and upload it to YouTube. If you create videos like this regularly, growing your channel won't be difficult. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and comment AI below.
Did you know you can create YouTube videos using just one AI tool?